is number talk time. Number talk, na na, number talk, na number talk, na na. It's number talk is lots of fun in the rain or in the sun. No need for you to run. It's number talk, na na na. Ba-dum-ba, number talk, na na, number talk. Thank you so much, Princess Yvonne, for introducing our Friday number talk. We're going to be taking a look back at lessons 21 and lessons 22. And as promised, unless Math Mud ate all my chocolate, I'm going to try to do a chocolate lesson, okay? Remember we did have a chocolate lesson before we had to leave. So we're going to try that again, because I think it will be a good job to explain how subtracting a fraction from a whole number works. So, our first problem we're going to take a look at is 2 minus, so go ahead and write that down on your scratch paper. Hopefully you have your scratch paper ready. And I'm going to show you 1 whole. And, sorry, things kind of broke a little bit here. And, use your imagination. 2 wholes. Okay? And now, what are these chocolate bars broken into? What units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 units on each one, but you'll notice that there's 2 whole chocolate bars. Well, we're going to take away 3/12, okay? Just that one row. So I'm going to have 2 whole bars. I'm subtracting 3/12. Right? 2 whole bars, subtract 3/12. Brink. Take away the 3/12. What do you have left? You have 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of the 12 you used to have. So you'd have 1 and 9/12. Okay? Want to do another one? I do. Let's give it a shot. So we're going to turn this over. And this time around, get these guys together. We're going to do, we have our 2 whole chocolate bars, and let's subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5/12. Okay? So we have 2 wholes, and we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What do we have left? I have 1 whole, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the original 12. So I have 1 and 7/12 chocolate bar left. Oh, no, you do not, Mr. Leggett. What do you mean? It's clear as can be. It's 1 and 7/12. No, it's not anymore. Now you just have 1 and 1/12, because I ate 6/12 of the chocolate. Yes, you did, Matt. Thank you very much for that wonderful help with our chocolate math. So I hope that helps you understand how we subtract a fraction from a whole number. Think about it in terms of chocolate. Okay, we're going to get started on our review. And get ready to pause, because you'll be pausing. Pausing? That's my job. Yes, it is, Princess Yvonne. We're going to pause. So get on a new piece of scratch paper. Let me help. Okay. So we're going to do 3 minus 1/4. And the first thing I'm going to do is make 3 holes, just like 3 chocolate bars. All right? I help by holding down paper. Yes, you do. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Now, what do we break them into? We break them into fourths. You see, because it's 3. Hold on, Princess Yvonne. It's 3 minus 1/4. Yes, so we break them into fourths. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to show that they're wholes, I'm going to go ahead and shade in all of these. So if you look at this, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fourths. 12 fourths equal 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 twelfths, 5, 6, 7, 8 twelfths, 9, 10, 11, 12 twelfths equals 3 wholes. Now we're just going to subtract 1/4, right? Yeah, and I'm going to go ahead and ask you to pause. And welcome back. What did you get? All you had to do was cross out 1/4. And this would equal what? 1 whole, 2 whole, and 1, 2, 3 fourths. And there you have it. Let's get our next problem going. And it's time to take a look at the number line. We've done the tape diagrams, and now we do the number line. So let's do 1/2. And look at this. We have different denominators. So I'm going to make a number line. And I'm going to start with 0, and I'm going to do 1 in the middle and 2 at the end. Now, the first fraction I have is 1/2. So let's go ahead and make 1/2. It's halfway between 0 and 1. Yes. So 1/2 is right here. Okay? But I need to add in quarters. So now you have to make the number line in quarters. Exactly. 1/4, 2 quarters, or 2 fourths. That's the same as 1/2. 1/4, 2 quarters, or 1/4, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. And I'm going to do the same over here. We have to be in the same units, the same denominator. So now I'm just adding on 3 quarters. And go ahead and pause. And welcome back. So I hope you were able to say, okay, 3 more quarters is 1, 2, 3. Boo! So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fourths, or 5 fourths, yeah, 4, 5 quarters, but that equals 1 whole and 1/4. And there we have a number line problem. All right, let's try, let's go for a larger number using a number bond, and we're going to subtract a fraction. If you could fit this all into one page, that's great. Save paper. Sometimes Mr. Leggett likes to write big, so I know that you see this. And we're going to do 8 minus 6/10. Now remember how we did this. We used a number bond. So you need to make the tenths. Yeah, I need to make the tenths, Princess Yvonne, but hold on. So let's make this a 7, because I'm subtracting. It's going to be less than 8. And then my 1 will be 10 tenths, so that I could subtract the 6/10. So I'm going to do minus 6/10. And just think about it like if you had 8 chocolate bars that were cut into 10 pieces, or 10 units, and you gave away 6/10, that's basically the problem you'll have. You won't have 8 chocolate bars anymore. You'll have 7 and a fraction left over. Now we can't forget about the parentheses. Yeah. And as Math Mutt tells us, we do the parentheses first. Yeah, we do the parentheses first. So 10 tenths minus 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that would be 4 tenths. And then we have the 7. So our answer is 7 and 4 tenths. Yes. And we are done with that. That was just our quick little number talk math review for the week. We're going to start new math lessons. People who brought home problem sets, remember I think we took home 12 through 22. So you'll be using scratch paper from now on. Say thank you to your parents for getting you scratch paper so we can do these math exercises. And be sure to get your 20-25 minutes of IXL and Imagine Learning, 20 or 25 minutes. And make sure you log on to Social Studies today, because we're going to continue our one-pager. And hopefully you put your one-pager in your, what do they call it? Your one-pager in your, what is that thing called? It's called an Avid binder. Oh yes, thank you, Math Butt. One-pager in the Avid binder. And save the one-pager, because we're going to be working on that over a couple of days. And even if you miss a day, it's okay, because you can always catch up, right? You can always catch up on those, right? Right, Calculating Cat? Yes. Nothing for you to take, Calculating Cat. We put the chocolate away. All right, Scholars of 502, I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the weather. Bye.